बच्चों, माई सेल्फ विपिन सर। जैसा कि प्रीवियस क्लास में आप पढ़े हो SN1 कॉन्जुगेट बेस डिसोसिएशन मैकेनिज्म, इसके बारे में मैंने बोला था कि नेक्स्ट वीडियो में इसको एक्सप्लेन करूँगा। चलिए एक्सप्लेन करते हैं इसको। न्यूक्लियोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन यूनिमॉलिक्यूलर कॉन्जुगेट बेस डिसोसिएशन मैकेनिज्म। द कॉम्प्लेक्स act as Bronsted acid which convert into its conjugate base by removing a proton from amino acid present in the complex. For example, CuNH3 5Cl plus 2 acid plus OH minus is base. To form CuNH3 4NH2Cl plus. This is from the base. It is also called amido complex or conjugate base. Plus H2O. Plus H2O. Do you know Bronsted acid base theory? चलो डिस्कस कर लेते हैं Bronsted acid base theory. According to Bronsted and Lowry theory is an acid-base reaction. Theory was proposed by Johnson's Nicholas Bronsted and Thomas Martin Lowry in 1923. According to this, the fundamental concept is when an acid and base react with each other, when an acid and base react with each other, then form its acid form the conjugate base and base form its conjugate acid. It means, for example, this acid base. Acid form the conjugate base plus base form the conjugate acid by proton exchange or proton transfer. That is, we also discuss Ha plus B. This is acid and base. In this proton transfer by this A, ये एक्सप्लेन करेगा A माइनस प्लस HB plus. It means H is the proton. In this case, H is the proton. This is totally is base. This is the conjugate of this, and ये बेस है और ये क्या हो जाएगा, दिस इज द conjugate of acid. This is base 2, this is acid 2. ये acid बेस, इसका मतलब यह बेस इसका कंजुगेट क्या होगा, एसिड होगा यह, और इस एसिड का कंजुगेट यह होगा, राइट। अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस, इसी अकॉर्डिंग SN1 conjugate base dissociate mechanism show the CuNH3 5Cl power plus 2 OH minus CuNH3 4 NH2 Cl plus H2. In this is acid, this is base, right? This is base and this is acid. Chunki we know H2O is amphoteric in nature, it means acid and base, but in this reaction this is base, then H2O act as acid if suppose this is acid, then H2 act as base, right? ठीक है, back. CuNH3 5Cl plus 2 plus OH minus to form CuNH3 4NH2Cl plus H2. This is the acid. This conjugate base to form the conjugate base. This is called amido base. Yeah, amido complex. This is called conjugate base, and this form the conjugate acid, right? So only we discuss the SN1CB conjugate base, right? According to equilibrium, we discuss the equilibrium constant K for the reaction is given, right? So next we discuss according to this reaction. Suppose this is CB मतलब conjugate base, right? तो according to rate constant, rate is equal to K R, लेते हैं इक्विलिब्रियम कांस्टेंट K इक्वल टू कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ प्रोडक्ट अपॉन कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ रिएक्टेंट. ऑलरेडी वी नो इक्विलिब्रियम, द कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ प्रोडक्ट एंड concentration of reactant, right? चलो next, K equal to, suppose this is conjugate base, in short H2O upon concentration of reactant okay. Then we find the value of the concentration of conjugate base. Hence we cross multiplication and find out the Cb into H2O is equal to this multiply by this, then K CO NH3 5Cl, right? Power plus 2 OH minus, hence K CB value of conjugate base is equal to K CO NH3 5Cl power plus 2 OH minus upon H2O, right? Then this is the, if we find the value of conjugate base or concentration of conjugate base, so then we have already known three quantity: this, base and complex base and acid, and also given the rate constant. Then we find the conjugate base, that is, if in this 1 2 3 4 and 5, these are 5 quantities, in this 4 quantity are given, in this 4 quantities are given, then we also find the conjugate, the value of conjugate base, right? Then are given, the equilibrium constant K for the reaction is given, K is equal to CbH2O CuNH3 5Cl power plus 2 OH minus, then conjugate base is equal to KCONH3 5Cl power plus 2 base and H2. This show the SN1 conjugate base dissociation mechanism, right? Understand? Then this is the evidence of base hydrolysis. This show the evidence of base hydrolysis. Next, again Next is redox reaction. Do you know redox reaction? Which reaction show the both process simultaneously, oxidation and reduction, right? Oxidation and reduction. And already you know oxidation and reduction. In modern definition, gain of electron are called reduction and loss of electron are called oxidation, or simply we called the increases the positive charge on the species, are called oxidation, and decreases the positive charge on the species are called reduction. Hence, according to this theory, we discuss the mechanism of one electron transfer reaction. It means कि किसी भी कॉम्प्लेक्स में एक इलेक्ट्रॉन, इट मीन्स एक इलेक्ट्रॉनों का ट्रांसफर कैसे होता है, तो ये टू टाइप्स डिपेंड करता है, एक इनर स्फीयर मैकेनिज्म पे और एक आउटर स्फीयर मैकेनिज्म। तो दिस टॉपिक डिस्कस नेक्स्ट वीडियो। ओके।